I beg my people, my Ogbonga people of the world. I say make I greet una first. Because this greeting na too big thing. And na small thing also, but people they neglect am. That's why some people go see you in the morning, they no go fit greet you. Some of them, if they greet you, from their mind. But the one wey me I dey throw away give una so, it's from the bottom of my heart. Na him I dey throw away and dey give una. They tell una say, una do well o, una wey dey lis ten, una wey dey follow us abeg, una do well o. Abeg wetin I wan tell una be say, una wey dey like wetin we dey do, wey dey like our video, abeg una no dey forget. Before you listen to the video, before you watch the video, abeg no forget to go do your hand as they dey do am like this for under the video, make we know say yes, una dey feel us, una dey get us for wetin we dey talk. You dey get? So today now, wetin I wan talk to us now na about our women. The way wey they dey dress, the way they dey change their color, e no good for us. We no like am. We no go feel life from you. We no go feel life una. E no good o, because normally, like the way our girls dress this time is something that we don't want. We want you are a woman, you should dress decently, so that when people outside there see you, they will know that you are from a decent home. Not like you want to show off your breasts or wear tights that all your body has to show. Understand? So, and again, I also want to talk to our girls. Let them know how to dress. You will see some girls, they will open here, open this side, open here, open here. Where are you passing all these places in your nose, in your face, everywhere? Whereby God have created you to be a very normal human being. Some of them, they even go wear chain for leg, wear ring for leg. God no create leg, say you go wear ring there. God no create your leg, say you go put on chain. You be dog? You no be dog now. Abeg make we try to dey live the life where we say e go fit dey help us, because wetin with how we dey dress, how we be, na so our children go dey imitate the people wey we are unborn ones wey still dey come on their way. You know good na make they wake up enter this world, they come begin say we don dey begin now dey train them, dey use bad thing dey teach them. They go come dey learn bad thing from us instead of them to learn good thing. They go begin dey learn bad thing. You know good na. So my people, na so I come to use this opportunity to try tell us say make we try, we our women, make we dey advise them. If you man wey be say you get your own wife, make you try to advise them how to dress, because how you advise them make them dress. Anyhow wey the woman dress, people go don already see and say as he dress like this means say you no get husband, or na she dey marry her husband, or the husband cannot talk to her or cannot advise her. So me myself I dey try tell us say make we try before your wife go dress comot say wan go work, at least make you observe am properly, make you know say yes wetin she wear e fit am. No be the one wey be say you go dey for road, somebody go come tell you say see your wife now, you go come comot your face based on what you yourself know say wetin she wear no good, and why you dey comot your face na because of say that thing wey she wear e dey make you dey shame. All this thing na your fault. If your family no good, make I no lie you, the fault no be from the woman o, the fault na from the man, because you wey be man, you suppose to stand your ground to make sure say you build better family for your children, so that people go dey learn from them. Abeg, as e be like this now, na make I dey tell una say no be all of us wey be comedian and we dey come talk something wey go benefit you. Some dey there wey be say we go just come crack go, people go laugh go, their problem still dey. But now, na all those problems now we dey try to do wetin, na all those problems we dey try to make sure say all this kind problem no come dey again. So as I dey talk, na all this kind thing now we go need to talk about, so that all this kind problem wey we dey face no go dey again. You know good now, somebody from market now, you go allow your wife come wear dress, wear jean, wear big canvas, come carry big spec put for face, block face. You be terminator? But we tell us, at least if you wan wear spec, you go wear spec wey dey decent. If somebody see you, they no need to you tell that person say this woman are from good family. Because wetin now the life wey we dey live now, na the life wey our children go wan imitate, and na the same life wey they go wan begin dey live. So I dey take this opportunity, they tell our people, they tell women, they tell husband and wife, abeg make we try dey make sure say we dey live our life with fear of God, so that if the person can't die, you know, we can't get too much credit to answer, because as we did this world, so you get some people will be say if they die because of their bad thing, God no, evangelists no even need to come they judge the man. Immediately the person they go show and direct to hellfire, because wetin the world judge for inside the man or the woman body is too much. God give you leg, God no tell you make you go buy chain put for inside the leg wey he give you, or make you go wear ring. So when you don begin dey wear am, you don use yourself turn yourself to animal. Even dog sef, they no dey wear chain for leg, na for neck they dey wear chain. So you wey be human being, wey God create you, give you better sense, wey you suppose to dey manage this sense, you come carry yourself because of over prideness, you come carry yourself, you wan change yourself from wetin how God create you. My brother, my sister, you are doomed. You no go understand wetin I dey talk about, but on a very good day, you yourself go know say all this life wey you don dey live, wey you dey live fake life, dey go pause your nose here o, pause here, where you dey find beauty. You no know say as you dey wear all those kind chain, all those kind, you dey put earring here, you come resemble slave. That time wey dem dey do slavery, you one day now you wan use your hand cause slavery yourself. So abeg, I dey tell our women, dey tell our men, make we take time know how we dey dress. And you now wey dey go smoke for the president of your children, you wan tell them to fella? Because if you come dey smoke, your children go dey look you. One day money come enter their hand, themselves they go go buy their own cigarette. From there they don change to omonta. People wey suppose to be say they suppose to dey responsible, they go come dey irresponsible. That na you use your hand cause am. Abeg, make we know how we dey live, make we know the kind thing wey we go dey discuss for our children face. Because sometimes if we no dey for house, all those things wey we dey do, wey dey watch us, dem also say go like say make dem go practice am. Abeg, make we take note, make we behave well, so that our children go fit behave well. Na advice, and abeg, why I dey beg una, this thing from the bottom of my heart. Now make I say, make I no waste time, make I just come share this video with us, so that this video na im go come make us change. And I believe say as I dey talk to some people now, they for inside their mind they don already change. So una thank you, una do well. No forget, like as I tell you, if you just watch this video finish, or before you begin watch am, that place where dem do hand like this, just go there, do your own hand like this there for under the video, make we for know say you dey get the video, you dey understand wetin we dey talk. Thank you. May God bless you now. Na me be una own maddest man, Ada Comedy. They will know.